Today we're going to demonstrate using Juvederm to do a lip augmentation. We like to do Juvederm. It's a hyaluronic acid gel that is soft and pliable. It gives you a very natural look when you're doing a lip augmentation. Here at Aspen Medical Aesthetics and Laser Clinic, the physician will do the injections. We like to do a modest lip augmentation so that you have natural, fuller looking lips, but nothing that's too much, so that it gives you a fuller, natural look. Your lips enhanced, is that right?
Plumped up, yes, plumped up a little.
Okay. And do you have any questions about that?
No, is it going to hurt?
No. What we're going to do is we're going to numb you up by using a topical medication.
Okay.
Sometimes we'll do a nerve block if we need to. And also sometimes the product has an anesthetic in it.
Okay.
So we always make sure with the lip augmentation that it doesn't hurt.
Got it. How long will it last?
It'll last anywhere from 6 months to a year.
Okay.
Generally speaking, for lip augmentation, it's somewhere in the middle, 6 to 9 months.
Okay. Will I be able to feel anything? Like, will it feel different?
The first few days, it will be a little bit swollen. And then for the first week or so, you will notice that it's in there. You can feel it. It feels sometimes like there's little bumps in there. That all smooths out over the first 2 weeks. After that, you won't really know that it's in there as far as feel goes, except that your lips will be fuller.
Okay. Sounds great.
We're going to put a little topical medication on here to help numb up the lips. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then sometimes there's some topical anesthetic in the product as well.
Okay.
Depending on which product we use. Alright, that should do it. Alright, you all set?
I'm all ready.
Okay, just put your head back, try to relax. So the first injection you may feel just a little bit.
I didn't feel it at all.
Good. That's how we like it. Juvederm in the lips should last about 6 to 12 months.
Is there any special care?
Not really. Ice it down tonight a little bit.
Okay.
It will soften over the first 2 weeks, so you can feel it in there a little bit those first couple of weeks. After 2 weeks you won't know that it's in there other than the fact that they're going to be fuller.
Okay. You doing okay? Mm-hmm.
Everybody's lips are a little different, so we take pictures and decide ahead of time what we need to do. Some people need more definition to the lips. Typically, the older you are, the more that's the case. Some people just need more fullness. So we're going to add a little definition to yours, but mostly we're just adding fullness. We also try to bring up the corners a little bit, because most people have downgoing lip corners as they get older.
Wow, it's amazing. Now I need a new lipstick. That's funny.
Why don't you come back in 2 weeks? We'll take a look, see how it turned out, take some after pictures, and then we can talk about the amount that we did, both whether you need more, we can certainly do more at that time, or for next time if you want to be a little more aggressive, we can certainly do that. And we'll take notes and talk about that a little bit.
Perfect.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
A little ice on and off tonight would be good.
Okay.
If you notice that they're bigger tonight, that's all due to some swelling. So
Okay.
don't panic about that. May look a little bigger for the first day or two with swelling, then it'll go back. Should be pretty much like we're looking at it now.
Sounds great.
Okay?
Thank you.
You might notice with the swelling that one side looks a little bigger than the other. We're very careful about putting in the same amount or the right amount on each side, but sometimes the swelling is not symmetric.
Okay.
So don't panic if you notice one side being a little bigger tonight than the other. It's probably just that the swelling is not symmetric. Once the swelling and everything goes away, it should be symmetric at that point.
Okay, great. Thanks.
What you saw today was in lip augmentation with Juvederm. It gives them a nice natural appearance to their lips, enhances those lips, or restores them to the way they were when you were younger. The product is very pliable and soft. You'll get a softening over the first 2 weeks after the injection with very minimal downtime and very natural looking results.